Welcome traders, it's Vagabond Investors Market Watch 24th of May. Last week was one of the most interesting trading weeks in months. And today we'll have our usual start for our trading week. Let's have a look at the indices, ETFs, and have a fresh start, good start for our trading week, and see where the broad market is standing at the moment. The market is mainly oversold. There are absolutely no stock market in a green mode at the moment. Those are on red mode or on yellow mode at the moment. It means we're officially basically in the bear markets in all over the world. Are we heading south? I don't know. Are we heading upside? I really don't have an answer, and that's not our job to estimate or forecast the markets. It's just to observe the markets and try to find tradable islands of information there. Let's start with the spider. It's on a yellow mode. It bounced off the flash crash lows as we expected it to behave, and it really looks weak at the moment. I'm not surprised to see 1 to 5 day bounce here. It definitely could run up to 200 days or up to, actually I'm expecting it to run up to 20-day moving average, and that's the starting point there. As most of you have watched our special market video, special market watch video last week concerning about these long candles and how the markets behave after these long candles, spider is reacting just like the model shows us. This doesn't mean that it will behave according to model in the future. No, I'm not saying that, but the possibility is very big that it really follows the model and it will trade in the box in upcoming weeks. So be prepared to have your trading plan accordingly. Look for shorting opportunities from rallies up to the 20-day moving average, and of course keep your stops tight. It's always good behavior, and the markets will be very violent. This will be very volatile. It's not an easy market. Hopefully you are already in a cash or in a short, but I think the longs are in trouble at the moment. Those have been in trouble last 3 weeks. It's not been a great place to be last 3 weeks, but the shorts really have celebrated their victory up to the gist point. All right, let's see the European market. Euro Stoxx 50, it's still on the red mode, of course. So last week it closed very flat from the week after that. It was slightly down. It really looks down. It's very oversold. I wouldn't be surprised to see some kind of bounce from these levels, but definitely it's in a bear market, in an officially bear market, and also according to our model it's in a bear market. And Germany, well, it's almost in a bear market according to our model. It's officially in bear market because it's trading below its 200-day moving average, which is same as 40-week moving average on our weekly chart. Doesn't look too healthy to me. This is also looking like it's a short play at the moment. And Italy, pretty much the same story. Strong rally from flash crash lows, just like expected. Nothing special here. It's probably some kind of run and test of our moving averages and probably short there. And Spain, it's like Spain, it's red. It's look very much the same as Italy looks. France, okay, doesn't look too much different there. The same story. And United Kingdom, I know everybody sees it. It's really similar kind of picture there. I know only difference is it's on a yellow mode, but it's very bad looking for longs. it's been pleasurable ride for short, but hopefully you are on cash or on short side if you are trading United Kingdom index at the moment. In Asia, let's start from India as always. It's in yellow, traded, and also closed below our 40-week moving average, below our support level. This also is signaling the same story as all of the markets at the moment. It's looking down, it's a lot of volatility, a lot of hesitation and nervousness. It could really move lower there, but I'm not saying it is moving lower there, but be prepared for it if you're long here. And South Korea, this big move down. We are on a yellow mode. It closed below our 40-week moving average. This really looks like it's going down. Of course, we can see some kind of reaction bounce here, but be careful with this. Thailand, yellow mode, closing lower. It's closing between our 20-week and 40-week moving average. I think you all are familiar with these issues in Thailand. A lot of violence on the streets. Now it's getting a bit clearer there, but it's surprising how little the stock market really reacted, even if the physical stock market was on fire last Thursday. And Japan, it's absolutely looking weak. It's on yellow mode, but I see this might break our support line there. It's not looking very healthy at the moment. I would play this on a short side if we get our bounce up here or breakout below the support line. We got our backtest of 40-week. It's very typical. If we break 40-week, we got our backtest, and that's a very good place to short again. And Singapore, it also on yellow mode. It bounced off the flash crash lows. It's reaction rally. It might be our bottom, but we're not saying it is. This might get ugly, and we might break those levels upcoming weeks, and that's the place to be short then. But at the moment, I would be on cash if I'm looking for this market. And China, definitely problems. Reaction rally also, pretty much the same story as all of the markets. It's on yellow mode. Very soon it will be on the red if we don't get a rally above our 40-week moving average and our 20-week moving average, and that's not very probable on the short term. Of course it could happen, but I somehow feel this would be looking for lower. And our Australia index, this is ugly. This is really ugly looking index. Also, same story, reaction rally from the lows of the flash crash, but we are still very much below our 40-week. This is looking down very seriously. And South Africa, the same story, looking lower, broke our support line, trading below it. Doesn't look too healthy. I probably would be looking a short side place here. We might get some reaction rally up to the 40-week, and that's a great place to short this market also.